Kasi gano'n din yung tinanong niya kung nakasmell ba daw dapat.
Saan ko bintana?
Yan mamaya. Meron, dito lang ako, hindi pa ako pwede ayun pabalik, busy. Nakita ko may nakapilo. Ano sasabihin natin? Fargo or Grand Forks?
Fargo.
Fargo. Lalo hindi ka kumain pa magsuka ka.
Kumain kayo para busog.
Mapapainit ito mamaya. Ikaw, natutuwa ka, mainis na yun. Nakinakabahan, alam mo yun. Yung puso namin, naiwan sa Winnipeg. Ayusan niya daw, tapos pag-gewang-gewang. Ayos na yan ha, pag-gewang-gewang ha.
Kasi tawa ako sa inyo, takot na takot kayo.
Hindi ko natatakot, nahihilo kami dito sa likod.
Winnipeg, Canada. We drove all the way to Fargo just to go to Walmart. Why? We're going to buy a school supply. Nancy wants some clips. I don't know what you're talking about.
Wala talaga
What
yun.
we're looking for.
Hanggang saan? $19 US.
And I actually fell asleep.
Oo nga. Sa bag.
No regards in my life whatsoever while Nancy is driving.
M&M's.
I like that.
M&M's. Yeah. Maliliit na ano lang. Oh, this one is 14 lang, oh. Ang dami niya, 140 pieces for 15 lang. Ano na to?
Aisle, yung grocery aisle. Kasi I'm looking for a different chocolates.
Ako din eh.
Not the...
Binili ni Nancy. Ano yun? Punta tayo. Asan na ba sila? Twix. How many? Different candy. Si Nancy na binili? Puro school supplies. Laka-laka talaga yun eh. Ito ate May ah. Ang gusto mo ito ba? Mura siya. $5 for how many pieces? Pambahay lang. Diba?
No, I like the other. My sister liked the other one. The other one.
Ano to?
Kisses. Ay!
Anong flavor? Anong flavor yan?
No.
Bago?
Hello, Miss Mario Flowers. I'm from Winnipeg. There's no Walmart in Winnipeg.
There is, but there's no pimiento there.
And what else are you guys
Ano
looking for?
kinakain ninyo? Nangunga na kinakendi.
No, it's not. It's a Ferrero.
Uy, ako mamaya dito mo. Uy, ginawa mo yan dito? Na, later na.
And they're looking for a clip. What kind?
Gusto mo tumaas ang sugar ko?
Oh, label. Sorry, my bad. It's not a clip. It's a label. There's no label anywhere in Winnipeg. Drove all the way from.
Meron, si Archie.
Archie. Tingnan ko tuloy. Pasok ba ako?
Ni-interview ka na eh. Mas gusto ko yung ano ng Walmart dito.
Maganda ako din. Dito yung
Ang daming
melo-melo,
choices.
yung melo-melo.
Yeah. Doon nga, bibili ako tsaka yung cheese pimiento. Tsaka, nakalista na eh.
No, I haven't tried the yellow melo.
Oh, it's good. Bibili ko rin sa kuya yung ng, ano ko,
Okay.
sa kanila. Pang Thanksgiving ko sa kanila.
Ah,
Ang mura, oh.
75.
Not bad.
400.
78, no?
Oh, lifesavers. Ang galang naman. Individually wrapped.
No, mas okay. Ano?
Oh, yes.
Ay, ito lang. Bites. Oo.
trick or treat.
Pang trick or treat. Yan yung gusto ko.
Sale, it's $5.
Ito yung gusto ko, Ate May. Oo. Isa lang naman.
I'm not nougat, but ano, yung ganun.
Maliit lang.
Yung ganun ang gusto.
Cheers.
I'll get one.
Yeah. Pero marami kaya. Dami naman. Mapapagalitan ako ni Tonyo. Sabihin, taas na naman ang sugar ng lolo mo. Ni?
Sister.
Hindi, yung sakto lang yung laki. Diba? Ay, mabigay. Ay, ba't mo nga yun? $5. Mahal talaga.
Ano yan? Before chocolate pa po eh. Puro chocolate pa rin?
Hindi. Hindi pa uwi. Regular lang.
Chocolate lang naman ang gusto na mga pang-matanda.
Ang matanda na talaga.
Ang matanda na si Mama. Dahil kong pinili sa Costco na Hoy, may malaking Toblerone na.
Sa Costco.
Naka-sale.
Sa Costco.
14.
Sa Costco.
Hindi, kaya lang, yun lang yung ano, wala na ibang
Walang kulay, walang... Mahal ba to sa...
Ito bumili ako nito. Isa lang mali.
baby butterfinger.
Ito na to.
Almond.
Yan ang expired nito. 2026 pa. No?
April 30.
Okay.
Mas mura yan kasi
Mas malaki na to eh.
Daran!
Yaman ni Mama.
130.
Puro, ang dami mo binili kasi na. Ang cheese pimienta, diba?
Oo nga, pero ito may guide. Saka yung ano.
Yung yellow melon. Buti nga sale eh.
Naka-sale ba yun?
$6.
Magkano ilan?
Nasa sa... Nalagyan na. Lagyan na Mama kasama namin.
Di ba tumawag ka ba kakainom?
Oo nga, ano ba yan? Bakit pala yun?
Ay!
We should have got some.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Mga guys, Fargo.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, knock the roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. let you go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been
Talagang nakapost ka siya.
I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate